Kid was brought to school to get admission in UKG for interview, as it was very difficult to get through admission in that school. Parents were really worried. Parents and kid enter principal's office. Parents sat aside on sofa and kid was sitting in front of the principal. Principal started to converse with kid. Here goes. Principal asked, "What's your name?" Kid, "Sita." Principal, "Good. Tell me something you know." Kid, "I know many things. Tell me what you want." Alas, there is no better point for not getting the admission, thought her mother to herself. As her mother was trying to make up the situation, but the principal stopped her. Turning to child, she said, "Tell any rhyme or story which you know." Kid, again, "Which one you want, rhyme or story?" Principal, "Okay, please tell me a story." Kid, "Do you want to hear what I studied or what I wrote?" Taken to surprise, she asked, "Oh, you write stories?" Kid replied, "Why should I not write?" She was impressed with the answer and said, "Okay, tell me story which you have written." Kid replied, "One day, Ravan kidnapped Sita and took her to Sri Lanka. The opening scene failed to impress, but still she encouraged the child to continue. Then Kid said, Ram asked Hanuman help to rescue Sita. Hanuman too agreed to help Rama." Principal, then, "Now Hanuman called his friend Spider-Man." No one expected this twist in the story. Principal, "Why?" Kid, "Because there are a lot of mountains between India and Sri Lanka. But if we have Spider-Man, we can go easily with this rope." Principal, question, "But Hanuman can fly, isn't it?" "Yes, but he is having Sanjeevani mountain on one hand, so he cannot fly very fast." Everyone was surprised and got quiet. After a while, Kid asked, "Should I continue or not?" Principal replied, "Okay, please continue." Then Kid continued. Hanuman and Spider-Man flew to Sri Lanka and rescued Sita. Sita said, "Thanks to both." Principal, "Why?" Kid, "Well, when you are helped, you should say thanks." So Sita requested Hanuman to call Hak. All were surprised. Kid realized everyone's curiosity and continued. Now Sita is there, so to take her safely back to Ram, she called Hak. Principal, "What? Hanuman can carry Sita, right?" "Yes, but he has Sanjeevani mountain in one hand and has to hold Spider-Man on the other." No one could control their smiles. Kid continued. So when they all started to India, they met my friend Akshay. Principal, question, "How come Akshay is there now?" Kid, "Because it's my story and I can bring anyone there." The principal didn't angry and waited for the next twist. Kid continued. Then all started to India and landed at Bangalore Majestic bus stop. Principal asked why they have landed in Majestic bus stop. Kid, "Because they forgot the way and Hug got an idea and called Dora. Dora came and she took Sita to Malleshwaram 5th cross. That's all." She finished the story with a smile. The principal asked, "But why Malleshwaram 5th cross?" Kid, "Because Sita lives there and I am Sita." The principal was impressed and embraced the child. She has been admitted in UKG and was gifted with a Dora doll. So, the moral of our story is, kids can really amaze, but we clip their wings. That means their creativity. Expecting them to do things as we see it right and not from their viewpoint. Let's give every child freedom to do their own things and watch their dreams come true. That is today's moral story. Thank you very much.